Greetings and welcome to Pinball Help. Although today it's not Pinball Help, it is Video Game Help. Tonight I am working on this really ragged out. Can you guess what game it is? 3, 2, 1. No, no, no. It's a Frogger. This came out of a bar in the French Quarter called the Gold Mine. Pretty famous bar that has a bunch of retro games in it. And these are they're there for people to play. The owner is obviously a big video game aficionado, but he's not a purist. And he's kind of like me. It's like, if whatever we can do to make these games run more reliably so people can enjoy them is best. And he wants this to be bulletproofed. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a flat screen in here and replace this monitor, which I know a lot of people are going to go, no! Well, you know what? I'm not going to throw the monitor away. We can always put it back in if we want to. But these things are burned out. They use a lot more energy. They're trouble. They're hard to find. They're expensive. Most of the people in this bar, after they've had a few, flaming hand grenade, hot shots of whatever, they won't even know which way is up. But they'll enjoy playing the game. So right now, you'll see. Let me show you what's happening with it. It comes on, kind of, but we just get that line there. So there's definitely something messed up with the monitor. Now I could try to diagnose specifically what the problem is with the monitor, but since the objective is to swap out the screen, and he lost the keys to the thing. I was able to get into the back, but I still can't get into the front, so I can't check it. I guess I can put a quarter in to see if it's playing blind. Look at that, I don't even have a quarter. But I'm going to pull the monitor out, and I think I'll be able to get to the front and undo the lock without having to drill it out that way. So that's going to be the first order of business. Checking the game and everything, and of course it's filthy. It needs to be cleaned up and all that, and de-gummed. There's gum stuck on it in different spots. So stay tuned. Let's see where this thing goes.